It's good.
We have a saying when we are playing our instruments that we're like, is it a little bit out of tune? No, it's good enough for folk. We were talking with Michael about how the thing about when you're playing actual instruments and not like presets and you're not a DJ is that there's imperfection, but that's like part of the human experience. Like, my job's not going to get taken by AI unless I'm a hologram in a few years. I don't know, we'll see. But we also sing a lot of songs about ending war and the idea of the possibility of war ending, even though it doesn't seem like that is possible, but that we can hold in our hearts that even like on a small scale, that we can end the wars between ourselves and the earth, between ourselves and our family, between ourselves and our partner, that we can practice nonviolence in whatever way we can to make this world a more peaceful place. And this song is a song we wrote in Spanish about that as a prayer, just like may the war, the fight, the struggle between human beings and the earth be over.